guys, it's Anna, and in today's video we're going to be doing a stretch routine that will help you get or improve your oversplit. Along with this routine, I'm giving you guys a 2-week challenge, which is to follow along to this video daily for 2 weeks to see how much your oversplit can improve. If you want to share your results with me, use the hashtag AnnaMcNultyChallenge on Instagram or TikTok, but first let's go ahead and get started with this routine. For the first stretch, lay on your back and then pull your leg as close to your chest as you can. Now sit up and we're going to do a seated pike stretch to stretch out your hamstrings.
This will be your last call. This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be your last call.
You can now stand up and we're going to repeat that stretch in a standing position. As you probably noticed, we're just starting off with some basic stretches because it's always good to do that before getting into the more advanced ones. Now step one foot in front of the other and try to push your elbows towards the ground. We're going to repeat that last stretch with the other leg in front.
This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
Next, we are going to move on to some stretches that are really going to help you get your oversplits, starting with 10 backwards kicks, trying to kick your leg into as deep of a split as you can. Now lift your leg back up into a full split and try to pulse it even further. This is not necessary, but if you happen to have a resistance band, you can use that like I'm showing on the right side to make this stretch even more effective. In case any of you are wondering, my resistance band is from Gymshark, and I'll leave a link to their website down in the description.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up.
Next, step out into a deep lunge, and in this we're going to do 10 pulses, trying to push your back leg even closer to the ground.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
Now point your back foot and we're going to hold the lunge while trying to push your back leg towards the ground.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone.
Remaining in this stretch, place your elbows on the ground.
That we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray.
Next, slide down into your splits, and we're going to hold those for 20 seconds. In order to get an oversplit, you obviously already need to have your splits flat to the ground, so if you don't have those yet, I have a 2-week splits challenge, which I'll link down in the description.
Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened.
Next, grab a small and ideally somewhat soft object, and then go into a lunge with your back leg on that object. Once you're in the lunge, try to straighten out the front leg into an oversplit. If you can't get all the way flat the first time, that's completely fine, but every day that you repeat this routine, I want you to try to get even closer to your oversplit or increase the height of your object. Besides backwards oversplits like this, you can also practice doing forward and double oversplits.
You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
As you probably noticed, we only did these stretches using one leg, so I highly recommend repeating this routine on your other leg to keep both sides as even as possible. I really hope you guys enjoyed this stretch routine and decided to do the 2-week challenge with it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, as well as click on the notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. Bye!